this week, we're going to get after some of this dirt work along these tracks here. Now, we put down our tracks right on top of the foam, and we had just gone ahead and just painted the foam at that time. But we want something a little more than just painted foam. We needed to add something to give it a little better texture. So we thought we'd go ahead and give it a shot using some grout to be able to texture the surface. It adds a little bit of color to it, and it looks pretty easy to do. So we're going to use a spoon. We're going to go along and just put it down right along the areas we want to have it. And then we'll use a dry brush and just kind of spread it around, smooth it out a little bit, and it leaves some lines in there when you're using the brush on it. But I think overall, this will add the kind of texture that we're looking for the trackside scenery. Now I know this looks really light right now. It's a bone white. But we have a plan, and we know that it's going to change color somewhat when we go ahead and wet this down and add our glues. And at the very worst, you can take this and you can come back with an airbrush or another brush and you can paint whatever color you want with a wash. But I think at this point, the thing we're really concerned about is adding a type of texture to this. First, you want to come back and use an atomizer and spray it down real good, and this helps put it in place. And it also will help with getting the glue down on it. So we're spraying it down with wet water, which is basically just water with a few drops of dish soap in it. And here I'm just going to go along and just drip in with the glue, and it's going to spread right out. And you can tell if you got it wet enough, if it just lays on top and doesn't soak in at all. You need to get a little more water on this. But you can see how it spreads when you drip it in there. That's what you want. And you don't need to worry too much if you do get it where it's just sitting on top. If you come back and you spray more wet water over the top, it'll help it to soak in. If this stuff will set up, it'll be like concrete. So now to add even more texture and color to it, we're going to put some scenic cement down. And we're going to come back and we're going to sporadically spread some sand around. Not so it's solid, but just in patchy kind of looking, so it just looks more natural. And I like the contrast and the added texture of the sand on there. We've used it quite a bit on this layout, and I like how it works. So now, this is where it gets to be fun. We're going to add all of the grass tufts we've been making. Now, I know a lot of folks will look at a Static King and think it's kind of an expensive tool, and yeah, they are cheap. But I also know that the amount of tufts I'm putting in here would have probably cost me $30, $35, and I made them with a Static King for just a couple dollars. So I, in fact, actually ended up saving about $20, $25 on just this section alone in grass tufts. So I think the investment of a static king pays off pretty quickly. And to put these down, I've just got some PVA glue on the plate. I use tweezers, I grab my tuft up, I get some glue on the backside, just place it where I want it. And this adds even more texture and interest to the scenery through here. Now we are still going to come back and we're going to add more static grass along in the green areas and along the edges to kind of blend in these edges so they won't be so stark. So between adding more grass and adding some bushes, it's all going to blend together. It should be a pretty nice scene. We can even add some small stones to this area down the road. And these larger pieces I had taken and made a grass tuft that was just a large piece, and I just tore pieces of it off to have random shapes. So I think this is looking pretty good, and I think we're getting towards what we really want to have along here for trackside scenery. So next week, we're going to get in here and do a lot more grass work. We got a lot of trees we've been building. We need to get flocked up and we can start placing trees and all the bushes we've been making and get it all set.